Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and establishing a live link to the car. Plug the diagnostic interface into the OBD-ROMAN 2 port and into your laptop. Turn ignition to accessory. Once the interface is recognized, launch Xentry and log in with your credentials. This authenticates access to modules. Make sure to select the correct vehicle model and enter the VIN so Xentry targets the right software set. If the tool detects an update, approve it. You need matched firmware for accurate module communication. Once done with login, run a full system scan to enumerate ECUs and read trouble codes. This gives you a map of what Xentry can access and why. Next, follow the guided tests. Activate individual components, stream live sensor data, and perform adaptations where Xentry prompts. Make sure to record baseline logs and freeze frame snapshots before you change anything so you can revert or compare. If a test fails, retry it after a soft reset and reread the codes to confirm persistence. You proceed to programming or coding after confirming backups and battery stability. Select the target ECU and follow Xentry's step-by-step prompts. During writes, do not interrupt power. Wait until Xentry reports success. Once complete, run verification tests, clear error counters, and perform a quick road test or functional check to confirm behavior. If you encounter errors, check cable integrity, confirm battery voltage is stable, and match software/firmware versions. These are the most common root causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.